Hi, one of my favorite things is basil. Today we're going to plant it next to the yellow and green beans that we put in the garden because basil actually increases the yield of your yellow and green beans, so you will have much more of a good thing. So we're going to do this together. So what I'm actually going to do is create a little square to plant our basil in, because I find, you know, you don't have to do everything in rows all the time. It's kind of nice to have little areas where you have lots of one plant because it just looks, I don't know, it looks really nice. So I'm going to plant basil in this little square, and I'll tell you, the reason I'm putting this beside the beans is because it also helps with the flavor and the growth of the beans. So the string beans, the yellow and green string beans, the basil will help with the growth. Well, that didn't have very much in that package, did it? Wow, that was not much at all. Since there was not much in that package, I'm going to sprinkle some rosemary in here as well, because basil and rosemary grow well together. So we'll put that in there. And yeah, so the basil helps with the flowering, or sorry, the basil helps with the flavor and the growth of the green beans and the yellow beans, and it also attracts pollinators to the garden. So planting them together makes a lot of sense because it makes your basil and your beans grow and taste better. And we just added a little bit of rosemary in here as well, because basil and rosemary go well together in the garden. And we are done. So one of my favorite things, of course, basil. It'll make your beans grow better, and the beans and the basil will taste better. It makes the flavor better. They're an awesome companion plant, which means that they are a companion. They grow well together. Right? Have a great day.